Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we studied synthesis of organic compounds in the laboratory. Today, we are going to study another very important and practical topic, which is uses of organic compounds. My dear student, organic compounds play vital roles in our daily life. So let's discuss step by step. Introduction. Organic compounds are carbon containing compounds found in living organisms and also prepared synthetically. These compounds are used in medicine, food, clothing, fuels, plastics, agriculture, and industry. Now, major uses of organic compounds. So let's discuss one by one. First one, uses and food. Organic compounds are essential components of foods. Example, carbohydrates provide energy in glucose, starch, protein, you have growth and repair of tissues, fats and oils, energy storage. Examples, glucose gives source of energy, fats stored energy. The second one is uses and medicine. Most medicine are organic compounds. Example, aspirin, pain relief, paracetamol, fever and pains, antibiotics, fight infections. Example, reaction, salicylic acid. Salicylic acid mean aspirin. Third one is uses as fuel. Many organic compounds are used as fuel. Examples, petrol, diesels, kerosene, natural gas, methane. Reaction CH4 plus CO2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O plus energy. Fourth one is uses in plastics and polymers. Organic compounds are used to make plastics. Examples, polyethylene, plastic bags, PVC pipes, nylon ropes and clothes. These materials are light, strong, and durable. The fifth one is uses in clothing and textiles. Organic compounds are used in natural and synthetic fibers. Examples, cotton, cellulose, wool, protein, nylon, and polyester synthetic fibers. Sixth one is uses in agriculture. Organic compounds are widely used in farming. Example, pesticides, insecticides, herbicides, fertilizers. These help in protecting crops and increasing yield. Seventh one is uses in cosmetics and perfumes. Many beauty products are organic in nature. Examples, soaps, shampoos, creams, perfumes. Organic esters are responsible for pleasant smells. The eighth one is uses in dyes and paints. Organic compounds are used to make dyes. Examples, textile dyes, printing inks, paints. These give color to fabrics and materials. The ninth one is uses in rubber industry. Organic polymers are used in rubber manufacturing. Examples, toys, shoes, belts. Natural rubber is an organic polymer. The number 10 is uses in daily life. Soap and detergents, cooking oils, paper, and adhesives. Organic compounds make our life comfortable and modern. Importance of organic compounds. First one, essential for life, industrial development, medical advancement, agriculture productivity. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on uses of organic compounds. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.